Hello, you all. I just finished reading a book, and if you're a reader like me, you'll probably relate to this that when we jump from one book to another, and somewhere along the way, we keep forgetting the lesson from the previous ones. So, I have decided to record my favorite takeaways from the books I read. It's more like a video journal. And if you find them interesting, then that's even better. So in this video, I'm gonna read out some of the most interesting quotes that stood out to me from this book. So this book is called Build an Epic Career by Mr. Ankur Warikoo. On page number 32, the author says that your journey to finding your passion is not about finding the right answers. It's about asking the right questions, and that is so true. Also, there are 8 questions on this page that you can attempt while journaling. I attempted them, and they gave me so much clarity about what do I want, in what direction do I need to work, and how do I work. So I will put a picture of those questions here so that you can screenshot them and attempt them while journaling. And the next one is my favorite one so far, so hear me out. Your passion doesn't have to be that one big talent that defines you forever. The sum of your average talents can be more valuable than any one big passion or skill. This is so true. When I first read this, I felt like this is what my soul wanted to hear. We are often told that we need to find that one big purpose, that one big passion that is gonna guide our entire lives. But why does it have to be just one thing? Why can't it be a mix of all our little quirks, our interests, and the random things that we are kind of good at? So maybe we should stop waiting for that one grand life defining purpose, and instead we should start embracing our little quirks. And now my last favorite lesson from this book, which is parents are humans first, parents second, which means they too can be wrong, they too can be unreasonable. It's such a powerful reminder of our parents that as much as we love them, they can be wrong sometimes too, and that is completely normal. While growing up, we think of our parents as some superheroes, but when we start to hit our 20s, we begin to notice that our thought process doesn't really align with theirs, which is completely normal. They have been raised in a completely different time with completely different values and completely different challenges. So, of course, their mindset is gonna clash with ours. But what really matters is that we need to honor their difference without disrespect. You don't have to agree with everything, just understand where they are coming from. And also be grateful for your parents anyway. They did so much for you. Look at your parents not as people who don't understand you, but look at your parents as people who might not be aware of how this new world works. So make them aware, educate them, and tell them that your path and their path might be different, but the destination is same. And that's it for the today's episode of me pretending to be deep on the internet. And if any of those quotes made you feel like home, then that's cool. And if not, you're just here for the vibes or to just appreciate me, then thank you. And 10 on 10 taste. So, enough wisdom for the day. I might see you in the next video. Till then, bye.